Hey everyone, welcome to the Hodl Hodl News Podcast. I'm Will, and this is a recap of the Bitcoin and blockchain news with zero fluff for the week of June 7th, 2019. North Korean hackers have allegedly been attacking South Korean users of Upbit crypto exchange. The attempted cyber attack uses phishing techniques such as sending emails that say there is a sweepstakes payout and that Upbit needs more information to send the payment. The email contained a file attachment which, if opened, would run malicious code and send the user's private keys and logins to the hackers. The hackers password protected the file attachment with the password upbit as part of the hackers' attempt to fool users. No losses have yet been reported. Peer-to-peer Bitcoin trading platform Local Bitcoins has removed the option for cash trades, meaning users can no longer buy or sell Bitcoin in person for cash through their platform. Local Bitcoin's move comes after the company announced in February that it would comply with the EU's new anti-money laundering directive. It's worth noting that peer-to-peer Bitcoin trading platform Hodl Hodl still offers the in-person cash option. A privacy-focused Bitcoin app, Samurai Wallet, got its first round of venture investment. $100,000 from Cypherpunk Holdings. Cypherpunk, a venture fund listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the ticker symbol HODL, was set up as an investment vehicle to support privacy-enhancing technology. Samurai Wallet for Android was designed with privacy in mind. It offers a privacy-enhancing feature for free as well as a paid option. Samurai has 27,000 users, and its first full version is expected to be released this month. Malaysia's financial regulator registered 3 crypto exchanges. They are the only registered crypto exchanges in Malaysia. Luno Malaysia, Synergy Technologies, and Tokenized Tech are the 3 exchanges that were approved to legally operate in the country. Luno GM David Lowe said, "We've been working closely with regulators and banks to complete the groundwork for the buying, selling, and storing of cryptocurrencies and digital assets, which we believe are the future of money. Regulation will ultimately bring clarity and protection to consumers and will ensure that all cryptocurrency businesses have adequate standards in place to protect investors and their funds." The US SEC sued messenger app Kik for its $100 million ICO, which the agency contends was an unregistered security sale. The SEC alleged that Kik was declining and its messaging app was losing revenue and users, but the company suddenly launched a cryptocurrency. The Kik action is significant because it represents the SEC's first enforcement action for a pure regulatory violation. That is, a case where a token issuer simply failed to register with the SEC based on its good faith interpretation of the law. Taj Drija, who co-authored the original paper underpinning Bitcoin's experimental Lightning Payments Network, released a new research paper outlining a proposed scaling solution for Bitcoin that would decrease the cost of running a full node. Named Utrexo, it's a way that nodes could use cryptographic proofs to store less data without compromising on security. Drija released the code as open source so developers can test out the idea. He said it's not integrated into a wallet yet, which will still take some time, but the library is there for people to try it out. Popular cryptocurrency data portal CoinMarketCap launched a block explorer for Bitcoin. The platform announced the launch on Twitter and received positive comments. When it comes to functionality, the Explorer developed by CoinMarketCap is similar to other services available on the market. The main page presents an overview and general information about Bitcoin, including market cap, number of coins in circulation, and current hash rate. Users may get publicly available information about specific addresses, including their balances, incoming and outgoing transactions, the fee, and transacted amount. Also, the service provides data on the state of the Bitcoin blockchain, the newest block, and the blockchain difficulty. European football giant Benfica announced they now accept Bitcoin payments. Now fans of the Portuguese Primeira Liga champions can pay for match tickets and club merchandise using Bitcoin. The team said accepting Bitcoin is expected to significantly reduce processing fees and eliminate inconvenient credit card chargebacks and fraudulent payments. Benfica has a long history in European football and regularly fills out its 65,000 capacity stadium weekly. Igor Sechin, the president of Rosneft, Russia's second largest state-owned company, which is the world's 24th largest oil company. The president said future payments for oil may be in cryptocurrency. He said this during a speech at the St. Petersburg International Economic Forum. Sechin said, quote, "It may be that in the near future we will all be paying for the barrels of oil with cryptocurrency." The Marshall Islands set up a non-profit organization to oversee the Pacific nation's digital legal tender, the Sovereign SOV. The government said it expects the nonprofit to promote the use of SOV both domestically and internationally and to establish an environment in the Marshall Islands that is conducive to the growth of crypto-based industries. Intriguingly, the government stated that with the SOV, it aims to transition to an alternative governance model based on blockchain. Blockchain-based mobile voting platform Votes raised $7 million in funding, led by Overstock's Medici Ventures, Techstars, and Urban Innovation Fund as well. Votes has successfully completed local voting trials in Denver and Virginia. Votes app uses biometrics, encryption, and blockchain tech to enable secure and auditable voting. The firm has previously assisted voting events held by political parties, universities, labor unions, and nonprofits. Votes has the potential to revolutionize the way we vote by providing access through a mobile device. Votes can dramatically increase citizen participation, and the company is committed to ensuring everyone votes safely and securely, said Julie Lin, managing partner at Urban Innovation Fund. In a highly detailed report, CoinShares research reveals that 74% of Bitcoin mining activity runs on renewable energy, aka green energy. We show that Bitcoin mining is mainly located in global regions where there are ample supplies of renewable energy available. And we calculate a conservative estimate of the renewables penetration in the energy mix powering the Bitcoin mining network at 74.1%, making Bitcoin mining more renewables driven than almost every other large-scale industry in the world. Digging deeper into the report, it says there is a clear trend among miners to opt for areas where hydroelectric power is abundant. Bitcoin miners are fairly well distributed across the globe. Looking more closely at their distribution, it is clear that they are predominantly, by volume weight, confined to technologically advanced, relatively sparsely populated, hilly or mountainous regions traversed by powerful rivers. We currently estimate that 60% of global mining happens in China and is a result of the feng shui rainy season in the hydro-heavy Yangchuan province of southwestern China. If over 50% of Bitcoin mining rigs are powered by hydroelectric energy, which this report seems to indicate, and since hydroelectric energy basically means powered by water, then it seems reasonable to say that Bitcoin is powered by water primarily, and therefore Bitcoin mostly runs on water. Lawmakers in India have proposed a bill which would see Bitcoin and crypto ownership made completely illegal, with as much as a 10-year prison sentence for anyone caught holding. Notably, India plans to launch its own state-backed cryptocurrency, the digital rupee. The bill proposes a 10-year prison sentence for persons who mine, generate, hold, sell, transfer, dispose, issue, or deal in cryptocurrencies directly or indirectly. Anyone caught committing such crimes would be subject to non-bailable sentences. The government's own proposed currency, the digital rupee, would not fall under the same stringent laws as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And our last story for the week, CoinRoom, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in Poland, suddenly closed down its services in April as part of an exit scam that left thousands of customers as victims. CoinRoom customers received an email on April 2nd stating that the cryptocurrency exchange is terminating their contracts and they have 1 day to withdraw their funds, and has been radio silent ever since. The cryptocurrency exchange failed to return the deposits of numerous customers, while others had received only a part of the funds they were storing in their CoinRoom wallets. While the exact losses of the victims remain unclear, the deposits of the testifying customers range between $80 and $15,000 equivalent. One user stated that CoinRoom failed to refund his 2 Bitcoin deposit after the customer received a withdrawal confirmation from the exchange on April 3rd. All right, that's all the Bitcoin and blockchain news for this week. All right, thanks. Bye.